to the 3, to the 6, right? To the 5, to the 1, to the 4, okay? I would do it right here. And that takes me back to the 4, okay? Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Chord Crush Thursdays, where every week we get into a new chord or progression that will help you to take your playing to another level. So if you like our content, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So this week we're going to be in the key of A major. We had a contestant that won in the random comment giveaway that we do on each video. So last week we picked the winner, and the winner got to choose the key for this week. So we're gonna be in the key of A major. Make sure you guys stick to the end so you can see who is the winner this week, but we're gonna jump right into this thing. Drop some comments, let me know what keys you guys like to play in. Say what's up, whatever you wanna say, but get in them comments. That is the way you enter into the contest to win for next week. All right, so here we go. We're in the key of A major. Let's check out the number system and scale. So A is the 1, B is the 2, C sharp is the 3, D is our 4, E is the 5, F sharp is the 6, G sharp is the 7, and then we're back at the 1. Okay, so that's our number system and scale for the key of A major. All right, so now the chord progression that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do a 6 to a flat 5, to the 7, to the 3, to the 6, to the 4. Once again, that sounds like this. So let's break that down. So the first tone that we're on is the 6th tone, which is F sharp. And you should know a lot of times when it doesn't matter what key you're in, you're gonna find that that commonly is gonna be some type of minor chord quality. So we're in the key of A major, F sharp is our 6th tone, and we're gonna play some type of F sharp minor chord. So I ended up playing like an F sharp voicing of a minor 11 chord. I got F sharp, E, A, and if you can make this stretch, this is, a good stretch, but if not, you can use your right hand to make up for it. But when I'm doing with my right hand, I'm starting with this melody, A to B to C sharp, okay? And that's just giving me more melody and stuff to work with, so by the time I come to the chord, it has more flavor. So I'm doing A to B to C sharp, and then I'm playing an E major chord on my right hand. So I got E, G sharp, and B. Or you can do it like that. So you can actually start with the G sharp and B and add the E right after like this. Or you can play it all together like this. All right, so that's one way to do it. But now we're getting ready to go, whoops, to the flat 5, which is E flat. So we started on the 6. And then there's another chord that you can do. If you want to alter this some more, you can actually take the E and drop it down to E flat. And that's going to give you like a darker kind of sound. So now you got that as another option too. This versus this. So, so now we're in a flat 5. I got E flat, B flat, and G flat in the left hand. Then A flat, B flat, D flat, F, and A flat in the right. So, but I'm using A as a melody right before we go to the E flat chord. This A flat is gonna be the top note of the chord though. So it's like, ooh, that was horrible. So we got E flat, B flat, G flat in the left hand, then A flat, B flat, D flat, F, and A flat in the right. So that's on the flat 5, which is E flat. Now we're on the A flat bass. And I have A flat and G flat in the left hand. This is more so based off of, in my mind, an A flat dominant chord. which I have A flat and G flat in the left hand, and then A, C, D, and G flat in my right. So this is like an A flat dominant 7. We also have the flat 9, and then the flat 5, okay? So now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the C sharp, which is the 3. And we got C sharp and B in the left hand, and then E, B, and E in the right. And I create some movement in the middle by going from A to B with both hands. So if you notice how I play the chord, it looks like that when I do it slow. But when you do it faster, that's how it sounds. Now you can make it even more dramatic in the right hand by sliding up from A to B flat to B. Okay, and that's gonna give you even more flavor. So, that's how it sounds. So now we're gonna go to the 6. But also there's another way, you can alter this even more. You can play a sharp 5, sharp 9 chord. So you can play C sharp and B in the left hand, and then F, A, B, and E. This is another option of a voicing that you can play too as well, instead of this one. Okay, so you can play that F, and that's gonna change the sound. Dun, you hear that? Dun, that's the first one that we did. But now you hear this sticking out. Dun. But now after here, we're gonna go to the 6th tone, and we're gonna use D to C sharp as a melody. So now when we get to the F sharp, we got F sharp, A, B, and C sharp in the left hand, and then E, G sharp, and B. So we're going to the 6th, and that's what we got. So from here we go to the 4, okay? And now I got D, A, and C sharp in the left hand, and then E, F sharp, A, and C sharp in the right. And this is a D major 9 chord, okay? So, that was a variation of the same thing. Or you could do it like this. Okay? So now a chord progression, or like a song that I would use it for, and you can just use this for anything, with talk music or whatever you would like. But a song that comes to mind is The Best of Me by Marvin Sapp, where it goes from the 4 to the 3 to the 6, right? To the 5 to the 1 to the 4, okay? I would do it right here. And that takes me back to the 4, okay? Here it is. So that's pretty much a way to get to the 4, but when you look at these chords, you can really mess around with the voicings if you know on the 6. The chord is minor, you can play it a lot of different ways, however you want to. And then this chord on the flat 5, you can alter it even more. And this chord on the 7, there's other ways that you can do it, but the idea is to understand what your options are when you normally are in these keys, when you do some of these chord progressions, because the idea is the movement of going from this tone to this tone to this tone. So don't just take what I'm doing, think about the chords and the voices that you know. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this content. Now we get ready to get to the part that we've all been waiting for. We're gonna pick a random commenter to win 90 free days in the Gospel Music Training Center, and also they get to pick the key for the next video. So here we go. Thanks for tuning in. God bless. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Let's go. All right, so now we're ready to pick this week's winner. We're gonna use this random comment picker website. We're gonna go to our last video, which was episode 11. We're gonna copy the URL, come back to paste it over here, and then we're gonna filter out any duplicate comments or people that commented twice so everybody has a fair chance. Gather the YouTube comments. We got 63 unique comments, and now we're going to pick a winner. Let's see, here we go. All right, congratulations, Sir Pim, you are the winner. You said sweet as always, man. I appreciate that. Congratulations. Email us at help@hearandplay. We'll be sure to get you your 90 free days, and also you get to pick the key for the next lesson. So congratulations once again. God bless you guys. Until next time, remember, if you can hear it, you can play it.